It's the YOGI MD Toolbox.
YOGI MD Toolbox. YOGI MD Toolbox. YOGI MD Toolbox. YOGI MD Toolbox. YOGI MD Toolbox. YOGI MD.
Hi, I'm Nadine, the YOGI MD, here to make yoga a simple part of your routine at home every day. Today, I just want to introduce two of my fellow yogis. This is Frankie, and this is Teddy. Sometimes the tendency is to shoo them away when I'm practicing, but you know what, as of late, I've actually been finding them to be super comfortable companions, and I just let them wander in and out if I've got my mat on the floor, or even if I'm doing a practice in my chair, and they love to practice yoga with me. So you may see them from time to time. So I don't try to fight it anymore. I don't try to resist. I let them come in and practice with me. So this has been another episode of the YOGI MD Toolbox. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you next time.
YOGI MD Toolbox. 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 YOGI MD Toolbox.
It's the YOGI MD Toolbox.